welcome to Witset Organic Farms. In this video we are going to see about the unboxing of Synagro 100 plants drip irrigation kit. And these are the contents in the packages. And this is how we have to implement the drip irrigation system. There will be one main drip pipe which will be 16 mm and the feeder line pipe will be 4 mm. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. We have to cut the package very carefully because the scissors can damage the hose that is inside. I was so happy to open the package. It reminded me of my childhood days. During Diwali festival, when I opened the fireworks gift boxes, we get some unexplainable anxiety and eagerness to see what different kinds of crackers are there. It was a kind of similar feeling to me. This is the 4 mm pipe. These are the accessories kit, and this is the 16 mm drip line hose pipe. It was all neatly packed and wrapped up with a plastic cover, and this is the size of the 16 mm pipe. And there are different sets of accessories. Those are straight connectors, T connectors, elbows, pipe valves, drip emitters, etc., which needs to be fitted to the main drip line. It also includes a water tap connector, and a Teflon tape which will be needed to avoid leaks in joints and connectors. It also has a arrow stakes which will help you to hold the emitters above the ground level. Four mm pipe is used to take a water supply from the main drip pipe to the plants. Cut the 4 mm pipe as per the length required to reach the plant. The main drip line is punctured with the help of a S-pin. You have to exactly measure the space between the plants and puncture the main drip line accordingly. And one end of the 4 mm pipe is connected to the main drip with the help of a connector, and another end is fitted with a drip emitter. The drip emitters can also be adjusted to adjust the drip level. And the drip emitters can also be detached and cleaned on a regular basis. You can connect different sets of straight connectors T connectors and elbows as per your grow bed dimensions. It also contains an end cap to close the end of the main drip line. Just insert the main drip line in one hole and bend, and then insert it in the other hole. So that the supply is stopped from the main drip line at the end of the line. Just in case if the main drip is punctured wrongly, we also have a provision to close it with a dummy connector. It is very important to choose the correct irrigation system for your farm based on what you are planning to grow. Each irrigation system has its own benefits and drawbacks. Our main goal should be on the conservation of water and have a mixed irrigation system for a different variety of plants. It is also important that we should have extra connectors and other accessories handy. These accessories are mostly available online at a cheap cost, and hence I decided to stock the main accessories. I'll provide you with the product links in the description so that you can refer the same. I also bought some tap models and hose connectors to put that to action on my farm. You can buy any brand of drip irrigation system. It falls in the same quality and price. Needless to say, please ensure you refer to ratings and comments before you buy. Here comes the main item which is not included in the kit, but it's mandatory to have. It is none other than a drip filter. It is very important that you install a Y filter in your borewell source before you connect your main drip line. It will save you a lot of maintenance time and gives the drip lines a long life. Without a filter, your drip pipes might get clogged with dust and salt, and it needs frequent attention and cleaning. You have a different choice of filters to choose from, and any type will do good. This is a mesh type filter. So far it looks like a simple DIY setup which we can do it by ourselves. I'll share you the next updates of the installation in my next video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing.